Hello students, good morning. This is Ballu Harish, Assistant Professor of CSIT. We are pending with one unit in Python. Remaining units of Python and Advanced Digital Image Processing is completed. I have mailed total material including videos and also PPTs and also textbooks I have mailed to you according to date wise. Okay, just we are pending with the 1 minute. We need to complete last unit of Python, and the unit is third unit. If the third unit is completed, total curriculum of my two subjects is completed. Okay. The third unit it goes it will start with regular expression in the Python. Okay, what is a regular expression, how it can be used in Python? Means regular expression, it is imported using RE keyword. RE, R stands for regular, E stands for expression. What is this particular regular expression? What is the benefit? Means a regular expression is sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Means if any string is available, if in that particular string, if you are willing to search any word using regular expression, you can make a search operation to know whether the particular word is available in the string or not. This is the usage of the regular expression. And if you want to use the regular expression in your program, you can use it as import space RE. Using import, you are going to import all the modules of regular expressions. Okay. We need to manually import that particular regular expression module. Okay. There are different types of functions are there which helps user to provide the search operations. They are find all, search, split and sub. Find all, using find all, it returns a list containing all the matches. Using search, you can make a search operation whether the word is available in the string or not. Split, it is used for splitting a string into two parts. Substitute is indicated by sub, which is used for replacing any match with another string. Okay. Apart, there are some meta characters are there that can be used with the regular expressions. We are going to learn the benefit of this meta characters in the practical explanation. Okay. Just focus. I am going to demonstrate you explain I am going to demonstrate you a example. In that particular example, I am going to use this particular starts with and also 0 or more occurrences. Similarly, if you want, just you can make a you can write a program and you can use the characters based on the output of your program. Okay, just we start with basic program of the regular expression. Okay, hope that how can we open the PyCharm software, it's already clear to you. We have discussed 4 units. Hope that you all are clear, means you are perfect. Okay, first I have said that if you want to use the regular expression module, you need to import it as import space RE. Okay, import is the keyword. Using that keyword, we can import all the modules of RE, that is regular expressions. Just give an enter. Next, I am declaring a string. In that part, the string is consisting of 2 words, hello, world. Okay, now I want to make a search operation whether the world is available in the string or not. Okay, how can what are the different methods are available? The methods are 4: find all, search, split, substitute. First we'll be discussing about find all, then we'll be moving to search, then split, and last we are going to end the topic with substitute. First we'll be discussing about the find all. Okay, how can we find all? How can you use find all? Means this particular find all method can be used only with RE, regular expression. RE dot find all. Okay, just if you see here, it is showing some hint what is the pattern that you are going to string and what is the pattern that you are going to search, and also string. Okay, regarding flag we will be discussed after some time. Okay, just find all. Okay, find all is the method. Now what is the pattern that you want to check? If whenever you are going to specify the pattern, you need to use the characters, special characters I have said to you. Okay, I want to search world. I want to search the pattern world, whether the particular world is available in the string specified or not. Next, I need to specify, I need to say to the software, I need, whenever you are making any whenever you are using any of these four methods, find all, search, substitute, split, you need to, it is mandatory that we need to use the special characters. The special characters are, I have given you a list. These are the special meta characters. Okay, we need to now I will make a search, I will make a find all using this dollar symbol. Okay, dollar control V. Next, whenever you have seen the syntax of find all, first you need to specify the pattern and also string. What is the string that we have used? It is str. Okay, now you have specified a method. Now we need to assign this total instruction to a variable. Okay, now if this particular method is successful, whatever the output we are getting, it will be assigned to X. Okay, now if you see here, hello world, H, W both are capital, so just we make the W as capital. Now what is the meaning of this particular world followed by dollar? Okay, if you see what is the specification of, what is the usage of dollar means, whether there is any string, what is the meaning of usage of dollar means, whatever the string you have specified, in that particular string, if there is any word, if there is any word with the world, and the world should be end of the string. Okay, to make you more precise, what is the meaning of this particular declaration is, whatever the string you have specified, that is str, whether the particular string is getting ended with world or not, we are going to check. Okay, just have a look. World, here it is started with capital W, and here also it is started with uppercase W. Okay, next. Okay, you are making the find all operation. Next, if the operation is success, we are going to print. Next, I am going to along with the printing, I want to specify to give the information to user as this particular string is, the particular pattern is available in the string, or else the particular pattern is not available. Means using the conditional statements. If X, if the particular condition is, if the particular pattern is existing in the string, I want to specify it as print pattern is available. Okay, print pattern is available. Else, if it is not available, else print pattern is not available. Okay, hope that you are clear till this 9 lines. First time I am importing the regular expression module using RE. Next I am declaring the string. I want to search whether the string is getting ended with the world or not. If it is ending with world, I am going to print it, and also I am going to print a statement like pattern is available or not. Now you just run the program. Okay, here you get the output. As the string is getting ended with world, you get world in the output, and also you get the output as pattern is available. If suppose if I make this find all world as small w, means lowercase w, what happens? Here we won't get the output. Just run it. Yeah, you get a empty array. Why? Because in the string you have specified it as uppercase W, in the find all you have made it as lowercase w. Okay, try to maintain same character, same case, either uppercase or lowercase in both the letters. Okay, next, this is one. Okay, here I have discussed about the meta character dollar. Dollar means, what is the specification of dollar? What is the usage? It will check whether the string is ending with particular pattern or not, which has been specified by the user. Next I will specify one more meta character, that is this starts with, okay. Next, same program, exit dot, hope that need not to explain it again. Now I am going to find all using starts, whether what is the meaning of this particular statement, whatever the string you have specified, whether the string is getting started with hello or not. Okay, you are making find. If the search is completed, you are going to return the output to the X. Okay. Next, same thing, the search is completed, you are going to print, and you are going to print a pattern as available. Okay, here hello is available. What is the what is the meaning of this statement? Here you are making a here you are finding whether the particular string is getting started with hello or not. Same, if you change it to lowercase h, you won't get the output. Okay, just focus here, you are getting an empty array, pattern not available, so we need to take care of the characters. Okay, hope that this is how can you use find all along with the meta characters. If you want, you can try with the remaining meta characters. Their specifications are explained detailed in this slide. Okay, next we will be moving to second method of relational regular expression. Second example of regular expression is search. Okay, just I am going to explain. I am going to take new program. Okay, next, same, if you are working with import regular expression, you need to use that RE. Next, okay, one more example I have taken. Dot dot, what is the specification of dot dot? Okay, it has been okay, one more just this example is not this character meta character is missing in the slide. Okay, what is this particular meta character means? Okay, if suppose if in the taken string, if you are having multiple hellos, if you are searching for the pattern hello in the string, there are multiple hellos. So if you want to print how many number of hellos are available in the string, if you want to print all the hellos, that time you can use dot dot. Okay, just import RE. Next, take the string taken is string hello world hello. Next, you are making such as RE dot find all he dot dot o. What is the specification of dot dot means? Okay, what is the pattern? What is the pattern you are finding means? The pattern, it need to have h followed by e, and it need to have any characters, and it need to be ended with o. Okay, the pattern that you are searching is it need to be started with capital H and preceded by small e, and it need to have any two characters, and it need to be ended with small o. Okay, like this, if you are having multiple hello, those multiple hellos will be printed. Next, you are going to print. Okay, here the print x means you will just if you run this program, how many number of hellos are there, they will be printed. If suppose like that, if 50 hellos are there in the given string, it may be difficult for us to count. That time we can use as print len of x. Now if you run this program, how many hellos are there in the given string, you will be given the you will get output. Okay, this is about dot dot meta character. Next, we are moving to search. Okay, search is also much simpler. Okay, Here you have taken a string. In the particular string you are searching whether particular word with the name Portugal is available or not. How you can search is re.search whatever the pattern you want to search and in which string you are going to search. Okay, if you run the program you won't get output. Why? Because in the given string there is no word with Portugal. That is the reason. In case of search, okay, in case of find all, if the pattern is not available you get the output as empty array. In case of search, if the word is not available you get the output as none. If the word is available, whatever the word it is available, it will be printed. Okay, next, just if you take this example, here I am searching hello in the given string. If the hello is available I am going to print it. Just run it. Just make it as comment. re.search just 1 minute. re.search, you are searching. Okay, next, if you find the difference between the find all and search, you can print the particular pattern available, whereas in the search we can make an inquiry whether the word is available or not, but we cannot print the particular pattern. Okay, this is about search. Okay, we have completed find all, search. Next we are moving to two more methods, split and substitute. Okay, first we'll be discussing split. Okay, one more example is there. Just in this same program. Okay, just take, I'm taking another program, new, just take this program. What is the meaning? Here I have taken a string, the scene in Spain, something fails mainly in the plane. Okay, I have taken a random string. Here I am making the search operation using, here I am making a find all, and I am using one more meta character star. What is asterisk 0 or more occurrences. Okay, if multiple patterns are available in the given string, if you want to print the, or if you want to find the multiple patterns, that time we are going to use the asterisk with the find all. Okay, here in is repeated multiple times, here, like it might be repeated 4 or 5 times. Okay, print x, how many ins are there, all the ins will be printed, means their pattern will be printed, those words will be printed. If in is available you get the output as available, or else you get it as not available. Okay, here if you check I in, okay, if you check how many ins, okay, it has printed I also. Here you are having in, this particular first in is the belongs to this one, second in this one, third in this one. Here you are in this fails, you are not having in, but you are having in star means it will print the patterns which are having in, or else it will print the pattern which are having I also. Okay, I, next here also it is having in and in. If suppose if I incorporate here I, we can get one more I in the output. Okay, just have a look here. Okay, it will search for 2. If suppose if you make here one more keyword like in, it will search for in and in and I, like that it will be searching for that multiple criteria. Okay, it will be searching for AIN AIA. Next, this is about the asterisk. Next we'll be discussing about the split. Okay, just let us take one more program. Split. Here we have taken a regular expression and we have declared a we have taken a string and split. What is the meaning of split? Wherever the particular pattern is available with SP, there the string will be splitted. Okay, just if you run the output, you will be understood clearly. You'll be understood. Okay, here the CNN here there is a pattern with SP. That is the reason the string is splitted there. You can find a comma. Next, after SP you are finding IN fails mainly in the plane. Okay, if you make it as IN, you can find multiple splits. The say IN is available here, also one IN is available here, also one IN is available. Based on the pattern, the string will be splitted into multiple criteria based on the condition specified by user. Okay, next, substitute. Substitute means, hope that you all are clear, just replacing one by another. Okay, next, what is substitute? Just I will run the program for once. Okay, what is the explanation of this particular program is (999). Just I am commenting it. Okay, just what is the substitute? Asterisk s means space. Wherever the spaces are there in the given string, I am substituting the particular space with the 9. This is the meaning of this particular statement. In the given string, if there is any space, the particular space is getting substituted by 9. Okay, if you this is the output. If suppose if you want only the first 3 spaces or first 4 spaces need to be substituted, means if I run the program in this way, what is the output? Means wherever space is there, it will be substituted by 9, but total spaces won't be substituted by 9. Only first 3 spaces will be substituted. If you run the program, you can understand clearly. Okay, if you find first space, second space, third space, from fourth space onwards you are finding in space only. Why? Because you have specified the value as 3. You can either increment or decrement, is no issue. Okay, one more thing that we can do with substitute is re dot sub in. Okay, here wherever in is there, I am going to substitute it by 9. In this way also we can run the program. Here the SA9 9. Okay, this is in this way also you can run the program. This is the introduction to the regular expression module. What are the things I have discussed? I have given an introduction to regular expression and also working strings using regular expressions. Okay, one more concept is there, working with files using regular expression. Already we have discussed in the 4th unit. Okay, in the next coming classes we will be discussing about introduction to modules and creating own modules. Okay, it will be taking nearly 4 to 5 classes to complete this 3rd unit. Okay, hope that you all are clear with this session. Bye bye, we will be meeting soon again.